Some journeys feel like a switch, while others feel like a slow, beautiful bloom. Welcome to Beyond the Classrooms, where we capture how FIIB turns everyday learning into meaningful experiences. Hi Harshita, welcome to our series. You are new on the campus, and how has it been so far? What has your experience been at FIIB?
Well, it felt like a flower budding at every step. Since 13th of June till this date, the experiences that I gained, the insights that I had was very awesome. Like if I start speaking one by one, it will create a huge list. So I would say it felt very golden because it's a timeless experience. I don't think I'll experience anything like this college life again.
Right. So you also became Miss Freshers and you have participated in so many activities. How has the journey been like?
The journey was really awesome, and one thing I would like to add is that it was very unexpected. Like I just kept participating, and even the question that I was asked during my Miss Freshers round was that what you expected in this entire journey, and I was like that it does not matter that at what stage in your life you are, just keep participating. You never know what opportunity is waiting for you next.
Yeah. So what stood out to you the most?
Something that stood out the most to me was the VFTT, the
Yeah.
view from the top
Hmm.
sessions. I really enjoyed those sessions. Like, I did not expect it that the industry leaders that I used to scroll on my Instagram or on my LinkedIn, I'm getting a closure experience with them. From Shiv Sharma, who I guess was a chief analytical officer at L'Oreal, to meeting Mr. Abhishek Lal. He was a chief digital officer at Marks and Spencer. The insights and the knowledge I took from them, even though I got the opportunity to ask questions from them and the key terms that I noted, I think that these are the lessons that I'll carry forward in my life.
Right. So what is that one thought that you carry with you now since you have attended so many VFTTs, participated in so many activities? What's that one thought that you carry with you now for your future goals or for your career?
The one thought that I carry with myself now and I'll carry every day is that what I learned inside being inside this campus is that transparency is very important. Like I did not expect it such thing from the very beginning onwards, but I always received that. The gratitude, the faculty, the process, the discussion, everything was like on top.
Lovely. So is there something that you want to describe your whole journey at FIB like in a line or something?
Yeah, sure. It's that learning is just not limited to the classroom. It matters in the conversation, the discussions, and especially the people that we are meeting along the way. I even screwed up many times, but I also learned from my mistakes. So this is the lesson I will always carry in my heart.
Lovely, Harshita. Thank you for being here with us. We are very excited to see where this journey takes you at FIIB. That's it, guys. This was Beyond Classrooms, episode 3, signing off. We'll see you later.